Here's how to import your email accounts into your Plesk panel. Log into your account and in the Websites and Domains section, select Mail. Then create the email account you want to import. Write the email address you want to import. I am now creating a demonstration example. Uncheck here and generate or create a password. Now generate or create a password and click on the OK button to save. Well, now that you've created the exact account you want to import, go back to Websites and Domains. Still in the Mail section, now click on Mail Importing. And now click on the Import Mail Messages button and a pop-up will open. Now you have to enter the email address to import and the password you use in the original account and not the password you chose just now in Plesk. Select the destination account, which must be the same as the source account. Then click on OK, and the automatic process will start. Within a few minutes, if you have done everything correctly, you will find all the emails imported into your new account.